Hello everyone, I'm Shamim Hossain from Bangladesh. Today I'm going to walk you through the CS50 final project, a cashbook management system. This program allows you to track income and expenses, add cash in, add cash out entries, manage categories, and view your overall cash flow and balance. Let's jump right in and explore how this system works. First, let's get started by launching the system. In your terminal, simply run the command pythonproject.py, press enter. Here we are at the main menu. Here we can navigate through the options using the keyboard. To record income, select Add Cash In. Type in the amount and press enter. Next, add remarks, press enter. Choose the category from the list by entering its ID. Finally, enter the date. You can either type the date or press enter to use the current date. Cash in entry been successfully added. Now let's record an expense. Select Add Cash Out. Enter the amount, remarks, category, and date. Need to edit or delete an entry. Choose Manage Entries from the menu. You can update or remove any entries. I've used Tabulate to view transaction entries and Pandas to delete entries by entry ID. Now let's see all our recorded entries. Select View Entries to get a detailed list of transactions. In Manage Categories you can add, edit or delete categories as needed. Choose as balance to see net balance, total income, and total expenses. That's it for today. This was CS50 Final Project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting coding projects and tutorials. Thank you for watching.